Good morning, everyone. Market Advantage here. It is June 4th, 8:26 Central Standard Time in the morning. And taking a look at the NASDAQ, taking a look at a couple things. We're almost to market open here, but we did have a pullback here into this potential liquidity. Looking for a move upwards. Really just trying to understand what's going to happen. I mean, honestly, we've been in an uptrend, so it's hard for me to think of anything but an uptrend. If I scroll out and look to the hour chart, we do have that bearish candle. We could have a pullback here before another. I mean, we try to break daily resistance here. Really just saw a push up from last night, but I mean, I just see an uptrend, and I can't really fight the trend. If you're fighting the trend right now, it's going to be really tough for you. So we're really just going to take a look and see what the market's going to give us. Really just see what happens at market open. I really want to see a push above 755. Maybe see something above that level. But we could potentially fill in this gap at the 660s. So depending on the direction that we choose, that's kind of where I'll kind of place my initial trade. I got to be careful that there is that liquidity there. And again, there is that move upwards. So we'll just see really kind of what happens here during market open and kind of just take that initial push and just, you know, have that trade idea for today. So that's really what I'm looking for. We have right now about a minute and a half before market opens. So we're going to kind of see what we're trading here. Let me go to MNQ on the micros here. And we have some, looks like some high news coming out a little bit later. So again, the market could be a little bit manipulative right now, depending on the direction that we choose. So really not expecting to stay in the market too long today. Really just want to get in and out, see if it presents an opportunity to us. If not, you know, we'll wait for an opportunity to strike. So just going to take a look and see what happens here. And kind of just move on from there. So let's wait and see. We got about 45 seconds. So let's see what we can do here. Might throw on a little bit of some music here. Just to kind of so here we are. We're gonna see
order filled.
Order filled.
I'm just gonna try it. We could be
Order filled.
Order filled.
so we kind of ate that one right there. Let's see here.
Order filled. Order filled.
Order filled. Order filled.
So we are going to take this up here. We are at that daily resistance, like I was saying, so there is going to be a lot of resistance here, but we're gonna have to, you know, be patient in our setup and just kind of again, just be comfortable with our setups. Obviously, we're gonna see some resistance here. You're gonna see a little bit of resistance here, but that's okay. Not seeing too much action, so it's kind of making me a little bit nervous here. I guess let's take a look at this. We're not seeing too much of a push here, so if we can't get some continuation here.
Order filled.
Rejected.
Order filled.
Oh, that's where it was. I didn't need to do that.
Order filled.
This is that rejection level here. I really want to see a hold above 755. It's really what I want to see is a push.
Order filled.
Order filled. Order rejected. Order rejected.
Order filled.
Order rejected.
Order filled. Order filled.
Stop filled. Order filled. Order rejected.
Order filled.
Order filled.
Okay. Got a little bit of a pullback here. So right now, I messed up on one of my accounts here. So that was one of the reasons that I had to trade this again. But we're going to have to... Because we just broke this...
Order rejected.
Let's see if we can get this little push back up. We might be heading towards the buy side again. So we're gonna take these. So I'm gonna take these right up.
Order filled.
So right here I can't really lose anything, so I'm just gonna yeah, we're just gonna wait for a pop-up here.
Order filled.
I'm gonna sell 5 right here, and then we're just gonna let these suckers ride. If it does. If it doesn't, we're gonna call it a day.
Order filled.
So that's it. That is my day. Very good day, honestly. Yeah. Sorry, got to answer this message. Sorry, I've been distracted, honestly. So I kind of want to explain this trade a little bit. It was a, let me go ahead and I'm going to lock myself out here. I want to explain this trade. Oh my goodness. Hold on. Okay, technical errors today. You can just bear with me, fellas. Okay, so wanted to explain this trade. Took some shorts at the open, got bit by those, but was looking to push above this daily resistance. Again, what I mentioned earlier, I wanted to see a break above these this previous. Now, honestly, if you look back, we are kind of go ahead and tanking a little bit, right? It was really just I wanted to see a push above these opens. So I wanted to see us move into some type of direction. I got the direction wrong, but then when I realized, okay, this is where we're headed, we kind of had to adjust. And again, we were looking to kind of play both sides there. So it's one thing to just like just to have a bias, right? Like I had those two biases and I wanted to make sure, hey, that I could go ahead and execute that bias. So really, I mean, very good trade. I'm really happy about it. So, I mean, there's nothing else I could do. That was like the best thing that could have happened. So really, I mean, I couldn't have done it without that. So I'm just really in shock that we've had this much movement in the markets lately, you know.
Order filled. Order filled.
A lot of movements. It looks like we are pushing back up because that resistance is it's so strong. Really shouldn't even be in this trade. I kind of messed up here. Okay, we're gonna ride this up a little bit.
Stop filled.
Okay.
Order filled.
Okay, perfect. Now we're pretty good. Now I'm a little bit hesitant. Okay, I had to take that buy up. Really gotta cut this one short, you guys. Really not much that I could say because it was just a very simple buy after the open here. So either way, I mean, it's been a very good day. I made $900 essentially on my Top Step account today, and then if you can take a look at my funded futures, I actually made $1,500. So it's looking really good. Let's see, 503 plus 517 plus the 893 that we made. We made $2,400 today. Very good day, very solid day. Again, we did take a loss. If we see here, did take a small loss on market open. We were down $300 and then came back up $240 and took a couple more trades and just wanted to round it up. Just saw the momentum riding upwards, and it was really, really honestly very great trading today. Honestly, I took a little bit more trades than normal, but again, I kind of had to adjust with the market. Sometimes you have to just roll with the punches. And the trades were very decent. I mean, they were good length, nothing too crazy. So in 10 minutes, we were able to secure $2,400 today. And I've already locked myself out. I'm looking to get a payout potentially with Top Step on Friday. I need 5 winning days of $200 or more. Right now, we're currently up $2,100 for the week. And as far as my funded futures, as far as these accounts go, I have now passed the consistency rule when it refreshes tonight. I've also passed the target buffer as well. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and I'll record this later for you guys. I'm going to be going ahead and taking a payout later tonight for, I think the max that I can withdraw on each account is going to be $1,200. So I'm going to withdraw about $3,600 in profit from my funded futures, and then, you know, hoping to get that Top Step payout this Friday, and hoping that's going to be somewhere around another, you know, hopefully above $1,000. Trying to be a 5K week right now. I mean, there's no like goal or anything. I don't really have a goal set. I just wanted to kind of, you know, go ahead and take the money out of the markets. So things are looking good. I mean, we're up 2,100. So looking to kind of move forward on the next couple days and just take it easy. So I appreciate you guys coming in here. Again, watching these streams. I know it's a little bit chaotic. I do other things in the morning, so I do apologize for that. This is really my main focus, and I'm trying to transition to this. I just want to be more consistent and just comfortable in my trading, which I feel like I'm getting more comfortable with my trading, my decision making, things like that. So I'm very proud of myself, especially for following my rules, locking myself out, knowing when to kind of, you know, get out of the markets. That's something that's huge, especially now with it being so choppy. So I'll see you guys in the next one. You'll see a payout from me soon here, but keep it going. You guys can do it. I'm just a regular dude. Believe in yourself. You can do it too. I can't believe that we're going to be taking this payout here later this evening for $3,600. It's it's a blessing. Honestly, thank the Lord. Thank Jesus, man. Really couldn't do it without him. And we'll see you guys in the next one.